Hi my people, I know I'm serving a beautiful look today, but if you want to see how I got it, go back to my last video, and I'll link it down below. But today I'm going to show you products. I just went through all my makeup stash just the other day, 2 days ago, yesterday. And I'm going to show you what I'm giving away and why. Let's get into the video. So I go through my makeup stash about like every 2, 3 months because I have so much makeup but limited storage. And even though it's grown a lot, like a lot, but there's still always products because I get a lot of my makeup from BoxyCharm. Even though I do buy some of it myself, I get a lot of it from BoxyCharm, and not everything always suits you. But a lot of times I go through it because I need to make more space for a new palette or something like that, and so not everything works out for me. Or it just sits in there, I never use it. Or it just sits in there, I never use it. I feel like I'm gonna use it and never do still. But so I always end up giving makeup away to friends and stuff because one, I never use it. Two, they just like collecting makeup just like I do. And then three, they're my friends and love to rate my makeup stash in general, so I might as well give it to them. But these are a few products I pulled out that did not fit my taste, and here's also why. So first one, these are actually, I believe, all from BoxyCharm except for two. Yes, yes. But this is the Beauté Basics. I think that's how you say it. Beauté. There's an accent mark there, girl, boy, whoever you are. Beauté Basics. But it's a highlight and bronzer palette. It's called the Bronzer Essentials, and I like it. Just is what it is. Like, it looks really cute. Look at that, beautiful. These are like some blushy bronzers. Like they're actually brown. They're bronzers, but on camera they're coming out with the pink tones, which I didn't see in there before. This one's a straight bronzer. This one's a lighter gold and a slightly darker gold. But when I put this on my face, there it is right there. Why it look like dust on my face? You see it right there? It just made me look really dusty. And you know how on deeper complexions, even mediums, such as myself, how you put something on and you can look real ashy. Don't come for me today. Do not come for me. But how you can look real ashy, like you just got powder on my face, and that's what this did to me. Like, I think it's a beautiful palette. Like, it's really lovely. But it just did not work out for me because it just made me look it just was not good. It didn't give me any type of bronze at all. As you can see, that's like, where it go? I lost it. Is that it? I think that's it. It's like really light. It's light as my under eye concealer basically, and it just didn't do anything for me. So that's one thing I'm giving away. And the next thing is this blush from Studio Makeup. It's a loose blush. I thought it was very pretty, but I don't use it. I'm gonna swatch it here. So it's very light. Let me see if I can get more powder out of here. Probably not. But it's very, very light. And I liked it when I used it. Like, I don't mind a light blush. I use light blushes all the time. Those are like sometimes my go-to, the neutral mauves. But the thing is, this made like my texture appear. Like, as you can see on camera, it doesn't look, I do have extreme texture because I have skin problems. But it made my texture just like, boom, it's right there, girl. Look, without even highlighting first. That's the thing. And I did not enjoy it because one, it's a loose blush. Like, why can't I just have a solid blush, girl? Like, but no, it did not work out for me because it just emphasized what was there, and I didn't really see a lot of pigment on my skin tone from it. So therefore, bye, girl. And so this is the last face product. I also have three lip products. I'm sorry, I keep looking down. Everything's in my lap. But this is a vintage. They used to be vintage cosmetics. I don't know what they identify as now because I don't think they're vintage cosmetics anymore. It's vintage something. But this is vintage by Vanessa. Not Vanessa. Jessica. Her name right there. Sorry. But, oh, my eye watering, my lash gonna come off. Ooh, pray for the gods. Pray for my lash. Pray to the lash gods. But it came with this highlighter, it came with a mirror. I thought it was a very cute highlighter. As you can see, it's pink with tones of gold. But it's a very beautiful. I loved it. Where can I swatch this? Right here. Look at that. I really love this highlighter. But it's not fine grain. Like the one I have on now, it goes on very smoothly. This one is a little bit thicker in grain, I would say. Like the powder is a little bit thicker. Like you'll see it on your face. But as well as that, it's just kind of dull. Like it's a very pretty highlighter. I would wear this for like everyday natural look. If I do want some glow, but not like a bang. And it's just I ain't use it. Like I had also a duo of one of these. It came with two different highlighters, and that one also did not work for me because I didn't use it. So that one I gave away like almost immediately after like keeping it for like a month because I'm a makeup hoarder. I might be a little book hoarder too, but like, but yeah, it didn't work for me. So I'm giving that one away as well. It's a beautiful. It's just not for all this texture, girl. Because your boy got all types of texture. There's a pimple there, a pimple there. There's a wrinkle over there. Ooh, there's a mark. See, just not for me. Next thing is these three lip colors. So I got this one from BoxyCharm. The other two I didn't. This is from Bella. I think it's from Bella Pierre, and it's their Kiss Proof Lip Cream. There we go. But I've had this for a good year. Not even a year. I think I got this like before my senior year of high school started, so almost like 2 years. But since the beginning, it's always done the same thing. Like it smells so good. It smells like candy, and the color is like beautiful. I used to wear this all the time. It's a little bit more mauve and deeper toned in person. It's just that my light's really bright. But it's a beautiful color. The thing is, it dries down matte pretty well and it won't come off. But the thing is, on the lips, it stays gooey. Like, I don't feel like it fully dries. Like, it's like, literally, like, it's like glue for your lips. Like, I'll put it on. I will show you right now, but my makeup's, like, really cute. But, I put it on, and it won't dry. The edges will get really gummy. And if I put my lips together, it's, like, literally just... This is my lips. You see? Oh, wait, they stuck again. Oh, wait, hold on. Almost... Nope, girl, you stuck... Like that. That's how hard it was to get my lips to loose. And I just tried this out yesterday because I went through my whole makeup collection. I was going to think about putting in my top 12. But, no. It's too sticky. It's too gunky. I'm not giving this to nobody. This one's going in the trash. It's in the trash. But these next two lip colors, this one, when it first came out, I raved about. Not this color in specific, but this was the Too Faced Melted Latex. And, it's a beautiful color. I wanted something very bright, like melony. Look at that. Look, it's so pretty. Just gonna put it all on there. But as you can see, it's very, very patchy. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very patchy. Like, it's like you put it down, it dries on itself. You go back over the top, it dries. You go back over the top, it dries. It displaces what's underneath it. Like, it's... I was like, yeah, liquid latex, but you gotta be able to put it on your lip first to get the latex appearance. It's just like when you making a latex outfit, like Aquaria. She won she won Drag Race. I knew she was gonna win from the start. I'm sorry if I keep kicking y'all. I knew she was gonna win from the start when I started following her a while ago, like a whole year and a half ago. And then she got on. I was like, she gonna win. She gonna win. And she did win. Team Aquaria. Team the rest of them too. But Team Aquaria, number one. Woo. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Like her latex mermaid suit, it had to be malleable. Is that the word I'm looking for? I'm gonna use it anyway. Malleable for you to put it on there for the drip and all that, for it to stay in place. But how you gonna layer it if it dries as soon as you apply it? And then second, even the applicators are really weird. It's not really that precise. No. Like, I tried it with a lip liner yesterday, but it kind of changed the original color that was there. And it worked a little bit better. It was a little bit less patchy, but it was still really streaky. It was still really gummy. It gums up on the inside. So I might give this to someone else and see how they like it. Most likely, they're going to throw it away too. Not saying it's trash, but for me, it's gonna might end up like the last one. So the last thing for this one, I'm giving away today. Not today, but like giving away in general, and is this Morphe lipstick. Lip gloss. I remember I was all the rave when I bought my first Morphe palette by myself. It was the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I might still do tutorials with because it's so bomb. But when I bought that, I also bought some lashes. I love the lashes. I also bought this lip color because I was feeling myself and had some money back then. Um, back then. But this is the. They ain't got no color on here. Oh yeah, it's the same shade Social. It's still like little lip glosses. I'm not. They were like this one was almost sold out. I had got this one and another one in my basket, but while I was checking out, and while I was like actually checking out, like the other one got snatched from my basket, so I still got this one though. And this one went like right out of sale as soon as I got it. But it's called Social. That's it right there. I love the lip color. It's beautiful. It stays shiny like that because it's a gloss. It doesn't do any type of gummy stuff. This literally is what it is. But the thing is, one, I never wore it, and then two, I feel like it's like a balm type applicator, as you can see, like this little balmy with a hole in it. You just pull it out, but I feel like it dispensed too much product. And then when I did put it on, it wasn't always even. Sometimes it was streaky, but like I usually did not have that problem. The thing is, one, I didn't really ever wear it. Sad. I pay a whole $2 or $3.99 for this that I could use now, even though I probably would spend it on something else, but whatever. And then on top of that, it's just like, it's just, I feel like it moves around my lips too much. I want something that's like this. That's like, I don't know where it's at, but like the Revlon pen I always use. Something like this. Shiny gives me the same shine, all that, but stays in place. I don't have to worry about keeping up with it or it gets smeared up to my eyebrow. But that is it for this video. Look at that in the corner. You like this makeup look? You want a tutorial? Go look at my last video. But I'm Faced by Trevi. Subscribe to me over there, I believe. And then some of my other videos over here. Social media is down below. And on top of that, give me a subscribe and share because we're almost at 200 subscribers. I'm Faced by Trevi. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.